Prabhat, and I heads the sales and marketing department. And STSIPL is a company who provides us services related to cloud computing, IT security, and IT administration. Basically, we focus on automation of routine IT activity which is happening in any IT departments. Probably you had seen a lot of activity which is happening in IT, like patch management, software deployment, audit, inventory. So what we do is we automate all these routine activity and leveraging all the administrator, system administrator, desktop engineer to save a lot of times, which can be utilized for our future growth. That is a basic purpose of founding this STSIPL. We use a platform called ORIS, which is basically a platform who runs on a cloud and provides the services in a better way and in an efficient way. We have only one product called ORIS, which is run on a cloud. Our platform is ORIS and who's run on a cloud. What we had done is we integrate a lot of platforms which is available right now in the marketplace. We club together just to address the entire IT infrastructure services. We had seen a lot of company who's providing a point-to-point solution. So instead of that, we collected all the functional department, functional requirement, clubbed together in a single platform called ORIS and addressing the need of a customer. The need may be, it's like a operating cost, then the manageability, the central console or a dashboard or reporting, any need of a business we are addressing through only one platform. Yeah, working in this company is a fantastic company. The work environment is fantastic. The lot of people who joined hands and founded this company with a different platform, with different exposure, and it's a lovely, friendly atmosphere what we have.